Video we are going to learn about the types of inheritance supported in Java. So let's start. First we are having simple inheritance. This is also known as single level inheritance, in which we are having one parent class and one derived class. Features of class A are being inherited by features in class B. Second, we are having multi-level inheritance, in which we are having a grandparent class which is being inherited by the parent class, and the parent class is being further inherited by the child class. We can see here that A class is the parent class of class B and B is the parent of class C. So C class is directly inheriting the features of class B, and indirectly it is also inheriting the features of class A. Next, we have hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, a single parent class is inherited by multiple derived classes. You can see here class A is being inherited by class B, as well as this is inherited by class C. So these three types of inheritance are supported in Java. The next type of inheritance is multiple inheritance, in which multiple parent classes are there with a single child class. Means base class 1, base class 2, and both the classes are being inherited by this derived class. Such type of scenario is not supported in Java. This feature was eliminated from Java. It was supported in C++. So you cannot achieve multiple inheritance in Java with the help of classes. This means that you cannot keep more than one parent class in Java program. But what if you want to achieve this scenario? We can do so with the help of interfaces. Interfaces are also user defined data types. They are similar to classes with some basic difference. So if you want to create such type of scenario, you can keep one parent as a class and another parent as an interface. This we are going to learn in the upcoming videos. So for here, this scenario, this class and this class, this is not achieved in Java. Next, we have hybrid inheritance, in which we are having multiple types of inheritance in the single scenario. You can see here that if we follow the path of class A inherited by B, B is inherited by D, this is my multi inheritance. And if we are considering class A being inherited by class B and C, this is the hierarchical inheritance. If we see B, C and D, so B and C are parent of class D, this is my multiple inheritance. So again, the hybrid inheritance in Java can only be achieved with help of interfaces, because it is containing the instance of multiple inheritance. We cannot create this program only with the help of classes. If you want that A is a class, B is a class, C is a class, D is a class, this is not valid, not possible in Java. We can create such scenario, but we have to use interface over class in that scenario.